Hi, I'm Natalie, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy brownie in a mug. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of water, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 2 teaspoons of chocolate chips. You could put more if you'd like. Let's get started mixing the dry ingredients and then the wet ingredients. Later, I'm going to mix it well till it's ready to go in the microwave. My mixture is done, and now I'm transferring it to my mug. Time to put it into the microwave for 1 minute. This is based off of my 1200 watts microwave, so if yours is different, you might want to keep an eye on it. The brownie is out of the microwave and it smells amazing, but before I can dig in, I have to let it cool down for at least 5 minutes. I think it's ready. You can eat it plain like this or put a scoop of ice cream on top to make it even tastier. Let's dig in. Yum. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a delicious brownie.